Live stream is on. Good morning, everyone. It's nice to see all of you today, this morning. Yeah, today is Monday. However, this day is still a holiday in Singapore because yesterday is the National Day in Singapore. That's why they move over one more day at the extra day for the Singapore. However, we hope you all have a nice day, Monday, have a news, have a good news together. And what's the good news today? Before that, I would like to say hello, welcome everyone join our live stream today. And thanks all of you to join our live stream. And now there's a very nice news this morning. The news is about the Bitcoin, and let me share you to all of you about the article about. Let's see what you guess what it's about. It's about Bitcoin is almost as big as the Bank of America. So how? Let's see how it's as big as America. Let's have a look at this. Because recently we have a look on the market cap, the market cap of Bitcoin, and we saw that whoa, the total capital of the Bitcoin is very high. That's why we all can see the market cap of the Bitcoin now is over 217 billion according to the best time. And the Bank of America, we also can know as a BOA, is slightly over 226 billion. That's why they say this Bitcoin is as almost as big as Bank of America. Now let's check on the coin market cap or the coin panica. Coin market cap. Yeah. In the coin market cap, we can see here the total market cap of Bitcoin. Let me. The total market cap of Bitcoin 217. Yeah, this one billion is also as big as a BOA. That's why if comparison with the biggest bank in US, now it's slightly over the market cap holding slightly over 226 billion, and Bitcoin market cap climbing in comparison. Yes, and then there's a lot of article, a lot of the talk, a lot of the share about how the Bitcoins go up and in the long time. As a Pompiano, he should say Bitcoin as an asset. Yes, that's right. And now we move on to the next news about today. This morning, I see the price of cryptocurrency a little bit going the sideways. Yeah, and we see there's a news about the hacker and all about the stuff. Yeah, about the Bitcoining. This morning I see that how miner can hash the investor, how miner can hash the inventory to increase the return on investment. There are a lot of people jump to mine the Bitcoin, and they receive the return, and they hope to receive the return of investment on their mining investment without risking huge loss in the volatile crypto market. Yeah, that's right. That's the reason why a lot of Bitcoin miner hesitate to jump into the market this day. And we can see a long account, typical account with popular services such as a Compound, BlockFi, Cellulose, and Definer offer 5 to 10% annual return. They also can join the future contract in the mining Bitcoin to join something like the cloud mining. And there are so many option contract. Yeah, that is very remarkable for us to know. for us to learn, for us to get profits. Yeah, we can see this photo is image. It shows that this mining farm, a lot of hash funding. They receive a lot of investment from many investors, and they build up the mining farm. However, there's a volatile on the market, and some of the investment cannot be success because the price of the crypto after they mine, it's hard for them to sell the price of the crypto asset with a high price. That's very challenge for some of the hedge fund. And we move on to some of the nice news. If we can see, trader access is about yeah. And here's this a nice news about in China. Yeah, let me turn on more. You have a look. Yes, more than 10,000 new blockchain companies established in Singapore, in China in 2020. Yes, that is a long-haired China blockchain company have increased substantially and recorded all-time highs in 2020, despite COVID-19. Yes, it is. It so that some. It so the blockchain company in China they allow the blockchain company operate and manage in China. Yeah, that is a way. This is a chart for the people can see. Now let me say thanks everyone join our live stream today, and later we will interact in the next part of our live stream, in the second part of our live stream after 25 minutes. Thanks for everyone stay and joining with me. Okay, next carrying on with the long hash. This is a chart to show that more than 10,000 new blockchain companies have been established in the first seven months of 2020. Number of new companies on track to surpass the established in 2019. This is a chart we have a look, and the figure shows that there are 84,410 registered companies, and of this 29,340 are in operate. The Guangdong province in Southeast China has the highest number of blockchain startups, with the Yunnan province in the southeast coming in record. And we can go to the next news from today. This news shared to us about how the blockchain company, how the blockchain technology increasing daily, especially in China. Now we wait. How about in US and the other part of the world? We hope in US and so many countries they have that. And now 3 hours ago, there's a news. It's look like a news about. It's a news about to sell. Oh, Minneapolis Fed Kashkari call for stricter lockdown. The president of the Minneapolis Federal Reserve called for strict lockdown to help to save the economy. Yes, the president of the Minneapolis. Let's see where the Minneapolis Federal Reserve. Yes, this is Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis. Let's see Minneapolis. Minneapolis is the largest and the most This is the largest and the most city. Yeah, we can go to the Wikipedia. This is the largest and the most populous country, the U.S. state of Minnesota. And now we see the Federal Reserve this is go for lockdown to fight the COVID-19 based on the New York Times. Yeah, in the article they say lockdown due to COVID-19 varies state by state. For example, New York entered phase 4 of reopening. Yes, that's why some states, however, both reopening. Yeah, this is a code. This is new a code, and how it's related to crypto, because this Federal Reserve and were flush with the cash. Who once claimed the Federal Reserve were flush with cash? It's going for nationwide lockdown. This is this related to our news this morning. Yeah, and then we can go to the next morning. This morning, price highs, Bitcoin, the news, some of the nice news. Research claim for crypto hijack happened 3 ways. China mining dominate unlike in last 7 hours ago. Facial recognize stamp out Bitcoin social media scam. Yeah. It's also nice. 10 hours ago, South Korea highway will have blockchain power toll payment. Yeah, it's so high here in South Korea. South Korea is Korea. Yeah, okay. It's a new technology. It's a new technology for one of the biggest commercial banks. South Korea partnered with the Korean Expressway. Oh, it's very interesting new in the technology. They show that they will usually people use to pay the toll payment. They use the bank or the cash card in Singapore. Now in Korea, they use based on the blockchain as a payment, and this one of the new one of the biggest commercial bank in South Korea has partnered with the Korea Expressway Corporation for a blockchain-based toll system. Yeah, this one is one of the way to reduce the transaction and make everything is transparent. No more hidden fee. Yeah, it's a good news, and hope for the success of the South Korean company can develop the blockchain-based toll system. Yeah, in the comment on the announcement, we will continue to expand customized non-face-to-face contactless service to the public by applying blockchain technology. We is part of the Korean version of the digital New Deal policy to lead the global economy after the coronavirus. Yes, recently the South Korean government unveiled its intent to invest over 48 billion in blockchain and other industry 4.0 technology by 2025. The nation's goal is to promote the digitalization of all industry in coming post-pandemic area. It is nice news about all the blockchain technology. And let's go forward to another news. I think most of the news also is nice to in the facial recognition could help to stamp out Bitcoin social media scam. It's also because nowadays the people they use the facial scam is look like your phone. You can use your Face ID, and now they have the facial recognition can help prevent future Bitcoin scams like those Twitter and YouTube recently. Because on the Twitter and YouTube, the scammer use the video or photo of the famous people, and they ask for the audience send the Bitcoin to them. Yes, this is a new technology for people can recognize. However, the privacy still need to be guaranteed on the facial recognition system. Yeah, this is very concerned is the thing. And let me see um the the co-founder of the company want the system that I think the ethics surrounding facial recognition boils down to consent and security. With consent, the user must be aware, provide consent, and be in control of how data is being stored, shared, used, and accessed, as well as ability to remove it anytime. With security, this relates to how data is stored and safety protocol implement. This requirement may shift based on the age of the end user as well. Yes, the service needs to consider these considerations when leveraging a new technology such as the facial recognition, since the implementation will affect many layers of the service from the user experience to the architecture and security of the system. And we can see another article. This article is very nice when the people they use the system, the blockchain system for the face recognition. This could help to prevent all the social media scams like Twitter and YouTube recently. We hope in the future this technology can help the people, and however still keep the people privacy. And we can go to the news 7 hours ago, the China mining dominant like to last look. Yeah, the Bitman is one of the biggest company and factory to making a lot of mining rich for everyone, and they also do a lot of with more chip to produce outside Asian more country offer cheaper power mining. This article about the mining, and they hope this also is evidence about the Loop company. Okay, let's move on with the article from the other part of the website. Thanks everyone to say hello, and I hope you all can share and discuss each other later. We will interact in the next part of our live stream today. Okay, Bitcoin stolen revolution. This is one of the latest news on the context this morning. Bitcoin stolen revolution. Could I lightweight this, but this permission access from any is a hint. This is not you. The father decentralized may claim to be system power that is crypto was supposed to protect us from this, but instead it's given us new name with the same misleading incentive. The mounting evidence of the new Bitcoin bull market yesterday is an opinion in the crypto. That's a store. How about the opinion money? One from all agentic strategy. Opinion decentralized tech will be ready for humanity next crisis. Okay, let's go to this one. decentralized tech will be ready for human next crisis. This one is say it's clear that the centralized system currently running the planet are not to be trusted to be coordinate the next growth phase of humanity. That is the revolution rising, and there's a lot of article, a lot of news in the world today, and today we also can see there's a price. Yeah. Now let's see to the next the analysis price of the crypto this morning. Now the Bitcoin is the Bitcoin price go in the sideways. The price is yeah, it's not go up and it's also not go down. So now let me go to the price of the crypto is $11,745 of Bitcoin, and the Ethereum is $392. Yeah, it's in sideways. It's nearly to hit. It's nearly to hit 400, right? Okay, let's move to the trading view. Trading view. Okay, the trading view. Let's go to the pair of the BTC and USDT. This morning, yeah, we can see it's go sideways. It's not go up and it's also not go down. Auto Fibonacci retracement and Bollinger Band, and we see the price is on the bull market. Yeah, it's a bull. It's going up now. The charts look really nice, and let's see how is the price today. The price today, yeah, it's not the 12,100. This is a neck resistance. 12,100. Everyone need to know, and the stop loss is 11,300. Yeah, it's remarkable. And now let's move on to the ETH. Let's see ETH. Deep base ETH. Yeah, now the price is 391. 391. Let's see the 391. Yeah, and now I add a Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci retracement with Bollinger Band. Okay, let's move on to see 391. 416 is the neck resistance of the 416 neck resistance of Ethereum. 416, yeah, that's right. And then the stop loss is 339, 360. No, the current the stop loss is 368. Yeah, from this side, from this chart, yeah, it's remarkable, and we all can know that that's nice. That is information for us to know when to jump in and how to jump out. Yeah, it's that is the first part of our discussion, our crypto news this morning. Thanks for everyone joined with us.